welcome back. Today we will see the programs of array in PHP. Now we have seen the array, which is static data structure and which stores similar type of element at sequential location. We have seen three types of arrays in PHP: indexed or numeric array, associative array, and multidimensional array. There are plenty functions available in PHP library for manipulation of array elements. Now we will see the regular problem definitions where we want to read input from user in an array and display the elements. We had created array by using or initialization of array at the time of creation. Now we can have the functionality of reading input from the user. Suppose first of all we want to read how many number of elements user want to store in an array. That is, we can read the size of the array first. So I am taking one variable over here and I want to read input from the user. That's why I am using readline function where I am giving the message in the same function itself. So I am writing enter size of array. So we will read the number of element that we want to read from the user first. Then we will have one empty array with us. So $A is an array because we are creating that with array function. So now at initial stage it is empty. Now we will be giving message to user that enter these number of elements in the array that we have read from the user. So enter n number of elements for the array. Now for reading multiple number in an array, as we know that this array is an indexed or numeric array, which is one dimensional array. So we will have one for loop where the index will start from 0 and we will perform this operation of reading till the number of elements that user want that we have saved in n variable, and we will increment the I by 1. So for I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, what we are going to do, we are going to give a message that enter element for this I index, and we will be reading that element by using read line. We have to store that element in a array, so we will have $A array is equal to read line, just an empty read line. So every time the message will be displayed from 0 to n, and we will be reading the input by using read line, and that will be stored in a array. Now here size is not given. The index will be starting from 0 till n, and it will be incremented by 1 and will be saved in a array. Once we have taken the input, we will be displaying that array element just by printing a message that array elements are, and we know the one line function to print array, that is print r. In bracket we can have $A, the name of the array, and the end of the script. Let's see how we can see the output over here. So enter size of the array, suppose I am giving 4. It is asking enter 4 number of elements that we had displayed message above the for loop. Enter element for 0th index. So I am entering 11. Enter element for first, that is 12. For third it is 13th and 14. So it is displaying array elements are, and the array is printed. 11 is stored at 0, 12 at 1, 13 at 2 and 14 at 3. So by this way we can have the input from the user. This is how we can read the elements in an array by using simple combination of read line and for loop. General problem definition or general application of array is searching and sorting. We have seen many sort function like sort, ksort, a sort, ar sort, kr sort as per the type of the array and or the manner in which we want to sort the array elements like in ascending order or descending order. Today we will see how to search a element in an array. Now suppose I want to search a number in an array, we will make a change in the code. Now till this we have written the code for reading input from the user and displaying the array. Now I want to read one more number from user or any element from the user and I want to check whether that element is available in the array or not. So suppose I am taking one variable x from the user, that's why read line, and I am giving message enter element to search. So we will be reading the element to search in an array. Now from where we will start searching 0 to n. By for loop we can check each and every individual element, but we have a simpler function available in PHP for reading in a for searching element in an array in a single line. So and we as we want to display its position, so I am taking one variable p in which I want the answer, and method name is array underscore search. In this we have to pass two parameter which element we want to search, that is x, and the name of the array in which we want to search. Now this p will be having the position of element where we have found the element. So we can print over here that element found at $p position. Let's see if we get output here. Enter size of the array 3. Now suppose I am giving string element ABC PQR LMN. Firstly array is displayed and now I am want to check for whether PQR is available or not. It is showing that element found at one position 0 1 PQR is available. Now, what if the element is not found in the A array? So, we have not written any if else condition. So, if you want to check for that, you can simply have if $p is equal to null, it means element is not found. So, we can have that if else code over here, element not found. If it is null, else we have printed the position of the element. Let's see. Oh, semicolon is missing. Okay. Enter size of the array 3. First element ABC, second PQR, third element. Enter element to search. Now suppose I am giving XYZ, it is showing that element not found. So these were basic programs of array in PHP. Hope you have understood the basic concepts. Thank you for watching. See you in next session, and we will be looking for the next session. Thank you.